Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video a little bit different, but yet a big meaning behind this video. So underestimated couponer, what does that mean? If you look up the word underestimated, it means that somebody that's right in front of you, you don't know the skills that they have. And I know that a lot of you have a lot of skills because you're probably sitting on a $20,000 to $50,000 stockpile in your basement or in your house somewhere. And this is our moment to really give and to really bless and to really do something big this Christmas to help people. We are so close to Christmas. And if you've never done this before, might I encourage you to give this a try, giving a gift from your stockpile to somebody you care about. Here's the deal, guys. You see a bottle of detergent for $1.99 and you have 20 of those in your basement. It doesn't really faze you. But when you gift this stuff in a bag or in a basket, I know a lot of you make beautiful baskets this time of the year, or you just throw it all up against a wall and give it to your in-laws and say Merry Christmas. This gift can actually have a lot more meaning than you even know about. We are in a recession right now. Food, gas prices are through the roof, and who knows what's going to happen in January. Sometimes some of these household goods that you might have, depending on the kind of couponer you are, do you focus more on cleaner? Do you focus more on body wash, HBA? I don't know, but if you organize a couple of these items for somebody you care about and gift it to them, it can really help them to offset their bills in January where they don't have to buy toilet paper, body wash, detergent, all that stuff. And this simple gift that you might not think much. How many times have we seen the $1.99 Arm & Hammer? It just kind of loses sense of meaning that when you're flipping stuff and buying stuff with Walgreens cash, doing this and doing that and doing karate chop with all your math, it just really doesn't seem like anything. But when it's gifted to family members and you get that reaction of like, oh my gosh, thank you so much, that I believe is the true meaning of Christmas. I said couponers are underestimated because when you can deliver a gift like that and you see that reaction, I think that is the magic of Christmas, to be selfless and generous. Now, just before Thanksgiving, I made a quick little video on last minute stockpile gifts because my husband has a huge family and they all gather around Thanksgiving where they do Thanksgiving and Christmas all at once. It's a big party. So I made bags for the ladies and then just a general stockpile gift for the different families. And then I also showed what I'm giving my neighbors for Christmas because I do give the neighbors, especially a lot of them who are like seniors and their kids don't come around. I try to visit a little bit on Christmas Eve and give them a little something to say hi. And even though we're not very close, just to know that somebody's wishing them a Merry Christmas. It's a lot of magic to that too, because the reaction, people are just so appreciative always. But if you're not really good at this sort of stuff, and guys, I'm not into making those fancy baskets and, they look perfect. I don't have that skill. But to throw a bunch of stuff in a bag and try and make it look somewhat presentable, that's what I show in this video if you want to watch it. If you've never given from your stockpile before, you might want to consider, especially right now, because a dollar doesn't go where it used to in a grocery store, and especially at the gas pump too. That sometimes these gifts are probably the most meaningful. And I say that from experience, from gifting from my stockpile for 10 plus years. Even when I didn't have very much, I would always try to scratch things together and make a gift, like just throwing things in a bag and trying my best. My mom actually doesn't want a normal Christmas gift. She always wants stockpile gift. She wants certain body washes, certain shampoos, and that's what she'd rather have than, a Mr. Christmas ceramic Christmas tree. She'd rather have like the stockpile goods that will last her all year long so she's not running out to the store and buying it. So guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you've loved this video. And if you're gifting from your stockpile, let me know. Do you make a gorgeous basket, or are you something like me? You just throw it into like a tote or a bag like this? Let me know. I don't have that in me to make things look beautiful. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, guys, if you celebrate, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.